Hello superstars and welcome back to Legit Hustle TV, the channel that teaches you how to make money online anywhere around the world. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to make $700 daily. What you just need is your internet connection and Google. Yeah, your internet connection and Google. Please like this video. If you have any question, leave it down there in the comment section. If you came across the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel. It is going to be very helpful. So what you just have to do right now in order to make this $700, because it is very easy. I've done it and it's very easy. So what you just have to do is just to go over to Google, and once you go over to Google, you type in stock photos or stock photo. Yeah, it should be stock photos. So you go over and search for stock photos. So once you so just search it like this. Once you come over to stock photos, it's gonna bring you up to somewhere like this. You're going to sign up for stock photos. Now you're going to click on this page where it says sign up. I'm not going to be taking you through because the sign up is literally easy. So once you have signed up, it's going to bring you to different places where you'll be seeing images. And in stock photos, you can download images without copyright claim. Listen to me, like all these images are stock photos image. You can download them without any copyright claim. Now once you've downloaded this image, right now that Miss Queen Elizabeth is dead. So right now that Queen Elizabeth is dead, this is the perfect time to make money, because people will love her pictures. People will love to use her pictures for other of her biography, editing videos and all the rest of that, and we are going to be making advantage of that. So you're going to write stock photos Queen Elizabeth. Okay, so you're going to write stock photos Queen Elizabeth. Okay, as you can see, these are stock photos from Queen Elizabeth. What you just have to do right now is to download these stock photos. You can download them as much as you can. The more you download, the more money you get. So download as many as you can. Now once you have downloaded them saved in your phone, the next thing you just have to do right now is to go over to your same Google and search for Alamy. Okay, so Alamy is going to pay you to get this for you to sell these images. You sell this image to Alamy and Alamy is going to pay you. As you can see right here, Alamy offers 50% on all direct sales for images that are exclusive to Alamy. For non-exclusive images, you will get 40% on all direct sales. What does Alamy mean? As you can see, Alamy receives stock images, and that's why I told you to use stock photo. So once you download that Queen Elizabeth photo, just register for Alamy and start selling it for Alamy, because many people are on Alamy. As you can see right here, let me show you the amount of users are using Alamy. Let me check. As you can see, look at the amount you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting around $19,099 to $365 daily. This is what you're going to be getting, around this range. So once you just have to do, because Queen Elizabeth died I think 2 days ago, so just start downloading her images and start selling it for Alamy, and you see your money coming for you. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to keep on seeing videos like this, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.